Welcome to Lesson 1 of your economics journey titled, What is Economics? Let's begin with a simple truth. We all want more, a better phone, stylish clothes, delicious food, exotic holidays. But here's the catch: our resources are limited. We don't have unlimited money, time, or energy. So, how do we decide what to do, what to buy, and what to give up? That, my friends, is where economics comes in. Definition of economics. Economics is the study of choices. It helps us understand how individuals, businesses, and governments make decisions about using limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants and needs. Imagine this. You only have 100 rupees in your wallet. Now you have three tempting options. Buy a new book to learn something valuable, grab some snacks with your friends, or save the money in your piggy bank for later. But you can't do all three. Your money is limited. So you have to choose. In this act of choosing, of prioritizing one thing over another due to scarcity, that's what economics is all about. Core ideas of economics. Let's now explore the three core pillars of economics. 1. Scarcity. Scarcity means that resources are limited, whether it's money, time, fuel, food, or even clean air. No matter how rich or powerful you are, you still get only 24 hours in a day. You can't do everything. You can't buy everything. You can't have everything at once. That's the first reality economics teaches us. 2. Choice. Since we can't have it all, we must make choices. Every day, you make hundreds of choices. Should I study for tomorrow's test? Or binge watch Netflix? Every choice means saying yes to one thing and no to something else. And these small decisions shape your future. 3. Opportunity cost. Here's a big idea. Every choice has a cost, not just in money, but in terms of what you gave up. That's called opportunity cost. Let's say you spend 100 rupees on a book. That means you can't spend that 100 rupees on snacks. The cost of the book isn't just the money, it's also the fun you missed with friends. Opportunity costs the value of the next best alternative you didn't choose. Understanding opportunity cost helps you make wiser decisions about time, money, even relationships. Branches of economics. Economics is divided into two main branches. Microeconomics focuses on individuals, households, small businesses, prices, and decisions at a smaller scale. Think of it as a microscope zooming in on tiny parts of the economy, or macroeconomics. Deals with the big picture: GDP, inflation, unemployment, national income, interest rates. This is your satellite view observing the entire economy from above. Both are equally important and often connected. Why should you study economics? Let's be honest, this subject is super practical. Here's why learning economics is one of the smartest choices you'll ever make. You'll understand how the world works. Why are petrol prices rising? What causes inflation? Why do governments increase taxes? You'll make smarter decisions. Should you buy on EMI, start a business, or take a job? How do you budget your monthly spending? You'll decode the news and policies. What does Budget 2025 mean for you? Why is RBI raising interest rates? How does the unemployment rate affect the stock market? You'll become financially intelligent. You'll learn how to save, invest, grow wealth, and avoid debt traps. In summary, economics isn't just about graphs and formulas. It's the science of everyday life. It teaches you to think logically, manage your resources, understand trade-offs, make better choices, and become a smart decision maker. So next time you decide between studying and partying or saving and spending, just remember you're doing economics.